Welcome, children. Today we're going to learn about one of Allah's beautiful names, Al-Khaafiz. Let's discover what this special name means together. Al-Khaafiz means the one who lowers. Allah is Al-Khaafiz because He has the power to bring things down gently and with wisdom. Just like a caring parent helps their child down from a high place safely, look at how Allah shows us Al-Khaafiz in nature. He brings down rain from the clouds gently to water the plants and give us clean water to drink. The rain doesn't come crashing down, it falls in perfect little drops. When we understand Al-Khaafiz, we learn to be humble and kind. Being humble means not thinking we're better than others. Allah loves those who are gentle and humble with everyone. Allah teaches us that those who are proud and unkind will be brought low, while those who are humble will be raised in honor. Just like in the story of Qarun, who was proud of his wealth, but Allah showed that being humble is more important than having lots of things. Now it's your turn. Can you think of ways to be humble? Maybe you can help a friend who's struggling with homework, or share your toys with your siblings. Let's take a moment to think about it. Remember, dear children, Allah is Al-Khaafiz, the one who lowers with wisdom and care. When we remember this beautiful name, we learn to be humble and kind to everyone around us. May Allah help us all to be humble and good.